The price of Nvidia increased extremely to the upside, but will we continue to the upside or do we see lower levels again? You're on the channel Successful Trading and I help you to make maximum profits at the markets. So let's go straight into the content. So we are on the weekly chart and Nvidia looks extremely bullish. After we built the last top in 2021, we then saw this crash to lower levels. From the top to the bottom we saw a move about 67%. And after we built here the bottom in 2022, we started this bullish rally to the upside. Then we saw this longer consolidation in this area. And in the last 4 weeks we saw this extreme bullish explosion. From the bottom to the top we saw a move about 512%, which is really amazing for a stock like Nvidia. But will the stock continue to go to the upside or do we see a retracement to lower levels again? So first of all, many tech stocks are going through the roof right now, and the chance that we can see even higher prices is there because right now we are seeing a hype in the tech industry, and the chance is high that much retailers are coming now into the market when the stock already pumped, and the chance is there that we can see higher prices. But I would be careful right now because always when you see a bullish explosion like this in a stock, the chance that we can see a retracement to lower levels is there. Because the market can't just go to the upside, we also have to see retracements. And of course the long potential to the upside isn't that high anymore at such high prices. And if you're looking at the AD indicator, you can see that we built a higher high right here, but just slightly above the last high. And that shows that the bullish power isn't that high, but normally when there's enough bullish price action and volume, this indicator shows even higher prices. But we are right now seeing just slightly higher prices, so the chance for retracement is getting bigger. And if we have a look at the RSI, the price is also very high, so the chance that we see a retracement is getting bigger. But of course these are just indicators and it's not an entry signal right now. And if we have a look at the EMAs, you can see that the price is also very high above. And also on the daily chart you can see that we are way higher than the EMAs. So the chance that we could see a retracement is there. And I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone caused the push to the upside. So the chance if we come back into this demand zone that we then see a bullish reaction is there. So I would be careful right now with long positions in this area. But if we come back into this demand zone and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great buy area for Nvidia to buy some stocks to hodl it into the next highs. And also if we are using the Fibonacci tool, you can see that the 0.618 Fibonacci is on the same price at the demand zone right here. So if we come back into this zone and see lower prices than $500, then I think there's a great chance to buy some Nvidia in this section. And if you want to trade Nvidia on a crypto platform with cryptocurrency or with fiat money, then you can do it on BingX. On BingX you can trade cryptocurrency, stocks and Forex. And if you want to trade Nvidia, you can do this right here. And if you use my link in the description, you can also get a bonus up to $5,150. So feel free to use the link in the description to trade Nvidia on BingX. So all in all, Nvidia is looking very bullish right now, but I would be careful in this price area because the potential to the upside is getting more risky for long positions. And I think this demand zone area is a great buy area for Nvidia to buy some coins if the price comes back to this area to hodl it into the next highs. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or other financial markets like the stock market, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.